Hello children, welcome again to another class of English language. Today children we are continuing with the same chapter, that is your revision chapter, and we will be discussing question number 19. Now in question number 19 we are going to learn how to rewrite our sentences using I don't know. Now in the previous question I told you what does I don't know mean? मुझे नहीं मालूम है. Okay. Now so let us have a look at the question over here. What is the first question? What is it? Now how do you need to begin your answer? You need to begin your answer using the word I don't know. That means मुझे नहीं मालूम है. Once you write the beginning that has been given to you, you need to write the question word. And what is the question word over here? The question word is what. So, we have already written half of the answer. What is it? I don't know what. Now, what are we talking about? We are talking about it. We are talking about it. So, I don't know what it is. So, we will end the answer using the helping verb. Since we do not have the main verb over here, our answer ends with the helping verb. Now, let us have a look at the next one. Where was it? Okay, once again, we want to know where it is or where it was. So, I'll begin my answer using I don't know. After writing I don't know, we will use the question word. What is the question word? We have already learnt this in grammar, the WH words. So, I don't know where. Now, what are we talking about? We are talking about it. Now, we write the word it over here and then we write the helping verb, that is was. Now, children, let us do the third one. Where are they? So, who are we talking about? We are talking about they. We want to know where they are. So, how do we begin our answer? We begin our answer using the beginning given to us. And what is the beginning that has been given to us? I don't know. Now, after writing I don't know, we will write the WH words or the question words. And what are they? Where. Now, who are we talking about? They. So, after writing the question word, we will generally use the pronoun or the noun that we want to know about. So, I don't know where they are. Next one, what is he doing? If you have a look children, we have he as the pronoun over here, we have is as the helping verb and doing as the main verb. And what is our question word? The question word is what. So how do we begin our answer? We begin our answer using the words that have been given to us. And what are they? I don't know. After writing I don't know, we will be using the word, the WH word. And what is it? What. Now who are we talking about? We are talking about he. We want to know what he is doing. So after we write he, we will write the helping verb. And then we will be writing the main verb. So what's the answer over here? I don't know what he is doing. Next children, we have he as the pronoun, we have go as the main verb and will be as the helping verb. Where is the question word? We need to begin our answers using the words I don't know. So once I write the words I don't know, what am I going to write? I am going to write the question word. And what is the question word over here? Where. So once I write where over here, I need to write the pronoun or the thing that we are talking about. What are we talking about? Who are we talking about? We are talking about he. So where he will go. Next, where has he gone? We have he as the pronoun, has as the helping verb, and gone as the main verb. And the question word over here is where. So once again we begin our answer using I don't know. Now what is the pronoun or who are we talking about? We are talking about he. So I don't know, and then we write the question word first, and then we write the pronoun that we have circled, that is he. So where he. After writing he, we will write the helping verb and then the main verb. Now let us have a look at the last sentence here or question here. What have they bought? So what's the question word over here? What. Have is the helping verb, they is the pronoun, and bought is the main verb. So we begin our answer with the words that have been given to us. And what are they? I don't know. Once you write the words I don't know, you need to write the question word, that is what. Now, who are we talking about in this question? We are talking about they. So, you will write the word they. And then you need to write the helping verb, that is have. Once you write the helping verb, you will write the main verb. And what is the main verb over here? Bought. So, I hope children you have understood how we are going to write our answers using I don't know. So now children, let us see what we have to do in question number 20. We have to rewrite the sentences beginning with I don't know. Now you will tell me, ma'am, this is the same thing what we have done in question number 19. But in this, there is a slight difference. We will begin our answers using I don't know. But while writing the answers, there are going to be some changes. Now what are the changes going to be while writing your answers? So first of all, let us pay attention to what I have written over here. Now you can see I have written Q, that's for question, and I have written the short form of answer over there. Now let us pay attention as to when we have do in the question, what are you going to do? When we have do written in the question, we will not bring any change in the verb while writing the answer. That means if the question is what do you eat? So since the question has do, while writing the answer I will bring no change to the verb. The verb is eat. How will I write my answer? I don't know what you eat. Next one, let's have a look. If your question has the word does written in it, okay, along with the verb, what the verb is? Eat. What does she eat? How will you write your answer? While writing the answer, we do not use the word does, but instead of that, we add an S to the verb. So, we had eat in the question, but while writing the answer, we added S to the verb. Now, let's have a look at the next one. Did. What did she eat? So, your question has did, plus it has the verb which is in the V1 form. But while writing the answer, we remove the word did and we change the V1 to V2. That means we change the simple present tense to the simple past tense. What did he eat will become I don't know what he ate. So now children, since we know the changes that are going to be made, let us do some sentences that I have written. What does she want? How do we need to begin our sentence? We need to begin our sentence using the words I don't know. Okay? Once I write the beginning that has been given to me, what do I need to write? I need to write the question word. And what is the question word over here? What. In the previous question, when we wrote the question word, we needed to write the pronoun that was given to us in the question. So what's the pronoun? She. Now we need to write the helping verb along with the main verb. But if you notice, we do not have a helping verb. We only have the main verb. But what else do we notice in the sentence on the question? We have does written over here. So what's the rule? When we have does in the question, while writing the answer, we write the verb and add s to the verb. Okay? So what was the change? I don't know what she wants. Now let's have a look at the next one. Where did he go? Now see children, what's over here? Did. What's the verb? Go. This is in the V1 form, in the simple present tense form. But while writing the answer, we will not use the V1 form. We will use the V2 form. That means we will use the past tense form of go. And we will remove the word did. So let us begin our answer. I don't know. After writing I don't know, we will write the question word, that is where. After writing where, we will write the pronoun, that is he. Now we need to write the verb. We will not use the word did, but what are we going to do? We are going to change the verb from the V1 form to the V2 form. So go will become went. Now let us have a look at the last sentence that I have written. Where do they go? See, what have I written over here? Do. According to the rule, what happens? If your question has do over here, written over there, while writing the answer, the verb will remain as it is. There will be no change in the verb while writing the answer. So let's begin the answer. I don't know. After writing no, we will write the question word, that is where. Then we will write the pronoun, that is they. After writing they, what are we going to write? The verb. Now, are we going to change the verb? No, we are not going to change the verb. We will let it be as it is. Why are we doing so? Because the question has got do. So when the question has do, there will be no change while writing the answer. The verb is going to remain the same. So I hope children you have understood how to write these answers, beginning with I don't know and changing the verbs wherever they are needed. Thank you.